Be prepared for anything with the right tools at your disposal. Hoto provides all the essentials you need to confidently tackle any home project or DIY task. From precision screwdrivers to electric drills, Hoto has everything you need to get the job done. All these Hoto gadgets and tools are available on Amazon. Links are in the description below, so grab yours now. Number 20, 24-in-1 Multi-Bit Mini Screwdriver. This 24-in-1 multi-bit mini screwdriver set is a versatile and compact tool designed for precision tasks, such as working with eyeglasses. It includes 12 double-ended bits, offering 2 different sizes on each, totaling 24 bits. Crafted from high-quality S2 steel, these bits are durable and compatible with various screw types and sizes. The bits are securely stored in a magnetic compartment within the screwdriver pen, preventing loss and ensuring easy access during use. The screwdriver also features a 360-degree free rotating lid, making bit selection and organization simple and convenient. Constructed with an anti-slip aluminum alloy body, it provides a comfortable and reliable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its pen-like design makes the screwdriver lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for on-the-go use. Number 19, electric screwdriver. This mini electric screwdriver is designed for effortless use with a simple one-button start, allowing you to get to work quickly. The low torque setting ensures that you won't damage small, delicate screws by providing the right amount of control. With its ultra-slim 2.6 centimeters thickness, the screwdriver is lightweight and portable, easily fitting into a backpack. It also includes a 110-degree expandable clamshell workbench and 48 premium accessories. The magnetic case keeps everything organized, ensuring that your screwdriver and 26 precision steel bits are neatly stored in one place. Additionally, the built-in shadow-free LED light makes it easy to work even in dimly lit areas. Number 18, laser measuring tool. This device is designed to make distance measurements easier and more accurate for a variety of tasks, such as home improvement projects. It can measure distances up to 30 meters, providing a versatile tool for a wide range of needs. With an accuracy of around 2 millimeters, it ensures precise results every time. The digital OLED display makes it simple to read the measurements clearly. Users can easily switch between different units, including meters, inches, and feet, offering added flexibility. Additionally, the device includes a USB-C charging port for quick and convenient recharging. Overall, this laser measuring tool significantly improves measurement efficiency and accuracy, making it an essential tool for any project. Number 17, cordless brushless drill. This tool is a versatile and efficient drill designed to handle a variety of drilling and screwing tasks. Powered by a durable brushless motor, it delivers up to 30 Newton meters, 266 inch-pounds of torque, and can reach speeds of 1400 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for demanding jobs. With 30 precision torque settings, users can easily adjust the power to suit different materials and applications. It also features 2 modes: custom mode for precise torque control and pulse mode for easy starts, making it beginner friendly. The 2000 mAh lithium battery provides extended use and can be quickly recharged via a USB-C port. Combining power, precision, and user-friendly features, this drill is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 16, electric screwdriver. This electric drill combines simplicity with style. Weighing just 0.55 pounds, it features a double-layered soft grip made from durable plastic and TPE rubber for ultimate comfort during use. The frosted aluminum alloy storage box holds all 12 bits, offering plenty of options for your DIY projects. Plus, the soft rubber handle on top makes the whole setup highly portable, so you can easily carry it around. Powered by a 1500 milliamp hour high-capacity battery, this power screwdriver has impressive endurance. After passing a tough 37-step testing process, it can drive over 1,000 screws on a single charge. When it's time to recharge, just plug it into a Type-C port and it'll be ready to go again in under 150 minutes. Quick and efficient. Additionally, the auto-on no-shadow circular LED light ensures you can work smoothly even in low-light conditions. Number 15. Mini Bike Tire Pump. In just 25 seconds, it can inflate a road bike tire from 80 to 100 psi, and in about 60 seconds, it can inflate a completely flat road bike tire from 0 to 180 degrees 80 psi. With a maximum pressure capacity of 150 psi and weighing only 0.56 pounds, it's both lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry on rides. Powered by a built-in 2000 mAh lithium battery and a brushless motor, the pump can fully inflate up to 8 flat tires or 18 low-pressure tires on a single charge. It also features a high-precision pressure sensor and a smart chip, which ensures the pump automatically stops once the desired pressure is reached, ensuring accurate inflation. The LED digital pressure gauge shows real-time tire pressure, while the 360-degree rotating hose makes it simple to attach the pump to bike valves, avoiding awkward angles or hard-to-reach spots. Number 14. Cordless Hot Glue Gun. This mini hot glue gun is designed for a wide range of DIY tasks, including crafting, artwork, and home repairs. It has a built-in intelligent control chip and MCH system to regulate the temperature, preventing overheating and excessive glue melting. If left inactive for more than 5 minutes, it automatically powers off for safety. The cordless gun heats up in just 30 seconds, and its brass nozzle quickly melts the glue. The anti-drip design and heat-resistant cover help prevent burns and glue drips. Its compact, lightweight design, 170 grams, and sector-shaped trigger make it easy to use, allowing for a continuous glue flow with a simple press. Number 13. Electric Spin Scrubber. Household cleaning tasks often take away precious moments from family time and self-care. The Hoto Electric Spin Scrubber makes cleaning easier and more efficient, allowing people to tackle their chores quickly and effectively. The motor of the Hoto Electric Shower Cleaner brush provides a strong cleaning torque of 2.5 Newton meters, offering substantial power without excessive speed, ideal for thorough cleaning without risking damage to surfaces. With a 300 RPM speed, it ensures efficient cleaning. The IPX7 waterproof rating makes the shower scrubber safe for use when fully immersed in sinks. The high-capacity lithium battery offers up to 90 to 110 minutes of usage time on a full charge. The power scrubber provides 2 adjustable speeds for efficient cleaning, soft and slow option at 220 revolutions per minute for daily cleaning, or you can switch to the strong and fast option at 300 revolutions per minute for deep cleaning. Number 12. Smart Food Scale. The digital food scale, equipped with a highly precise weight sensor, displays data instantly with precise graduations of 0.1 grams. It has a weighing range from 1 gram to 3,000 grams, making it suitable for various daily weighing needs. Users can easily switch between 4 units of measurement: gram, milliliter, ounce, and pound, ounce, eliminating the need for manual calculation. The high-resolution LED screen clearly shows the weighing data, which is displayed under the clear tempered glass surface of the scale. Additionally, the seamless surface of the scale is made from food-safe materials, making it easy to clean. Number 11. Tactical Flashlight. This compact and powerful flashlight is ideal for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. With a maximum brightness of 1,000 lumens and a range of up to 240 meters, it provides impressive visibility in low-light conditions. The main light has an adjustable beam, allowing users to switch between spotlight and floodlight modes. The side light offers red and flashing fog lights for use as warning signals. For added safety, the flashlight includes a safety belt cutting knife with an inverted buckle design to prevent accidental cuts. The IP54 water resistance protects the flashlight from everyday splashes. Equipped with a built-in 3,100 mAh high-capacity lithium battery and a Type-C charging port, it provides a battery life ranging from 3 to 90 hours depending on the brightness level and mode. Number 10. Air Pump Master. If you're seeking a versatile pump for all your inflation and deflation tasks, the Hoto Air Pump Master is the solution. With its dual pump system, this electric air pump efficiently handles a wide range of pressures, 0 to 150 psi, and airflow rates, 0 to 350 liters per minute, making it suitable for various applications. Thanks to its powerful motor, it quickly completes pumping jobs, inflating a tire from 29 to 35 psi in just 1 minute, a kayak in 1 minute, and a paddleboard in 15 minutes. Additionally, the air pump automatically stops once it reaches the desired pressure, offering convenience and precision. Number 9. Golf Rangefinder. This versatile device is designed to improve accuracy for both golf and hunting enthusiasts. With a remarkable range of up to 1,100 yards, it enables users to measure distances across vast areas with precision. The 6x magnification ensures clear, detailed views of distant targets, aiding in accurate readings. A notable feature is the flag lock function, which allows users to target the flagstick easily, even in cluttered backgrounds. The silicone eyepiece adds comfort for prolonged use, minimizing eye strain. It provides real-time measurements, allowing for quick decision-making. The device also supports USB-C charging for fast and efficient power-ups. While it offers excellent performance, one drawback is that it may struggle to lock onto flags at extreme distances in highly variable weather conditions. Number 8. Cordless Power Washer. The cordless design eliminates the limitations of cords, making it ideal for outdoor and field use, such as cleaning sidewalks, cars, and bicycles. Weighing only 3.7 pounds, it's portable and easy to hold, with a compact body that saves storage space. Powered by batteries, it is not restricted by location and can be used outdoors anytime. The 2.5 amp-hour large capacity battery provides up to 45 minutes of continuous use, allowing you to clean an entire vehicle without interruption. The battery can also double as a mobile power supply when paired with a USB-C charging cable. The 5-in-1 multifunction nozzle is versatile, meeting various cleaning needs across different areas and tasks. Equipped with a 14mm double plunger pump, it increases water pressure to 290 pounds per square inch in self-suction mode and can spray 200 liters of water per hour for more efficient cleaning. Number 7. Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Equipped with a brushless motor, this desk vacuum cleaner offers powerful suction of 15,000 pascals, effectively removing dust and debris from desktops, computers, and car crevices. Combining vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and vacuum sealing in one versatile device, it simplifies your cleaning routine with its multifunctionality, providing a complete solution for various cleaning needs. With a high-speed airflow rate of 500 liters per minute and a blowing speed of 22 meters per second, it quickly inflates items. The device features a one-button design for easy on-off control and to toggle between high and low modes. Its 1900 mAh battery provides up to 10 minutes of continuous use in high mode, ensuring you can clean an entire desktop confidently. Weighing just 0.78 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle. Number 6. Electric Wine Opener. A highly efficient and easy-to-use tool designed for wine lovers. It quickly uncorks bottles in around 10 seconds, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. The device includes a built-in foil cutter for effortless removal of seals, making it convenient and user-friendly. It is lightweight, making it portable and easy to store. With a rechargeable battery that provides long-lasting power, this electric wine opener offers convenience for frequent use. Its sleek, modern design ensures that it complements any kitchen or bar setup, making it a stylish and functional addition to your wine accessories. The opener can be used for multiple wine bottles in a row without requiring recharging, and its one-button operation reduces the effort involved in uncorking. Number 5. Flashlight. This compact, rechargeable LED flashlight is designed for versatility and durability, making it suitable for various activities. It offers lighting, flashing, and SOS modes, allowing users to adapt to different lighting needs. With 280 lumens of brightness and a beam that reaches up to 200 meters, it effectively illuminates dark areas. Equipped with a 1,500 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it provides up to 24 hours of continuous use. It features USB-C charging for quick and convenient power-ups. The IP55 rated dust-proof and water-resistant design ensures reliable performance in various weather conditions. Additionally, it includes a cord string for easy carrying and a light diffuser to transform the flashlight into a signaling or ambient light source. The premium aluminum alloy construction enhances durability and heat dispersion. Number 4. Tool Set. A comprehensive hand tool kit designed for everyday home repairs and DIY projects. This compact and portable set includes essential tools such as a screwdriver, wrench, hammer, tape measure, and pliers, all housed in a durable toolbox for easy storage and organization. The screwdriver features a magnetic design for secure bit retention, while the adjustable wrench offers a 25mm extra-wide jaw for a strong grip, making it suitable for various repair tasks. The claw hammer comes with a rubber cap to prevent damage to surfaces, and the 10-bit set provides versatility for different screw types. The self-locking tape measure ensures accurate measurements, and the needle nose pliers are ideal for precision work. Number 3. Self-Lock Tape Measure. This 10-foot, 3-meter retractable measuring tape designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It features dual metric and imperial markings, allowing for versatile measurements. The self-locking mechanism ensures the blade stays securely in place during use, while the press-to-retract function allows for smooth and controlled retraction. The tape is made from high-flexibility grade 55 steel coated with durable nylon to prevent corrosion and damage. Its shock-absorbent base and water-repellent case provide added durability, making it suitable for various environments. The ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, and the matte finish reduces glare for clear readings. Number 2. Screwdriver Electronics Toolkit. This screwdriver set is a 48-in-1 electronics toolkit designed for detailed tasks like repairing eyeglasses, watches, phones, laptops, and cameras. It includes 48 premium bits made of durable S2 steel and features dual torque settings, 0.05 Newton meters and 0.2 Newton meters for precise control. The set also comes with an LED shadowless light for better visibility, a magnetic bit holder for quick and secure changes, and a compact design that's easy to carry. With its well-organized clamshell workstation, this kit ensures efficient and organized repairs, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Number 1. Electric Air Pump Pro. The Air Pump Pro is also a versatile and efficient cordless tire inflator designed to meet various inflation needs, including car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. Equipped with a 12-volt motor and a 7,500 mAh battery, it delivers a maximum pressure of 120 pounds per square inch, ensuring quick and accurate inflation. The digital pressure gauge allows users to set desired pressure levels, and the pump automatically stops once the preset pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. Its compact design and cordless functionality make it ideal for on-the-go use, and the built-in LED light provides illumination in low light conditions. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.